Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of enhancing your driving comfort by adding lumbar support to your car seats. Upgrade your car seats with lumbar support, a DIY guide. Lumbar support in your car seats is not just a luxury. It's a vital component that can significantly enhance your driving experience. Imagine cruising down the road with utmost comfort, free from annoying back pain that often results from long hours behind the wheel. Adding lumbar support to your existing car seats can make a world of difference in both your comfort and overall well-being. By introducing lumbar support to your car seats, you open the door to a range of benefits that go beyond just physical relief. Improved posture, reduced fatigue, and increased focus while driving are just a few advantages that come with this simple yet impactful adjustment. It's a small change that can make a big impact on your daily commute or road trip adventures. Understanding lumbar support in car seats. Lumbar support in car seats is a key feature designed to provide support to the lower back area, specifically the lumbar region. This support is crucial for maintaining proper posture while driving, as it helps align the spine correctly and reduces strain on the lower back muscles. By promoting good posture, lumbar support can help prevent discomfort and fatigue during long drives. What is lumbar support? Lumbar support is a feature in car seats that focuses on supporting the natural curve of the spine in the lower back. It is typically adjustable to suit individual preferences, allowing drivers to customize the amount of support based on their comfort needs. This support helps in keeping the spine in a neutral position, reducing the risk of slouching or hunching over the steering wheel. Benefits of lumbar support in car seats. Improved comfort. Proper lumbar support reduces strain on the lower back, making long drives more comfortable and enjoyable. Reduced fatigue. By maintaining good posture, lumbar support can help prevent fatigue and discomfort, allowing drivers to stay more alert and focused on the road. Decreased risk of back pain. With adequate lumbar support, drivers are less likely to experience back pain or stiffness after driving for extended periods, promoting overall spinal health. Incorporating lumbar support in car seats can lead to a more pleasant driving experience, enhancing both comfort and safety on the road. Options for adding lumbar support to your car seats. When it comes to enhancing the comfort of your car seats, there are various options available to add lumbar support. Let's explore two popular choices: aftermarket lumbar support cushions and built-in lumbar support systems. Aftermarket lumbar support cushions. Aftermarket lumbar support cushions are a practical and cost-effective solution to improve the ergonomics of your car seats. These cushions are designed to provide additional support to your lower back, reducing strain and enhancing your driving experience. They are usually made of memory foam or other supportive materials and come in different shapes and sizes to suit individual preferences. Attaching an aftermarket lumbar support cushion is a breeze. Simply place it on your car seat and secure it in place using adjustable straps or hooks. This versatility allows you to move the cushion to different seats or even use it outside the car for added convenience. Built-in lumbar support systems. Some car manufacturers are now incorporating built-in lumbar support systems into their vehicle designs. These systems are integrated into the seat itself and can be adjusted to provide customized support based on your preferences. Opting for a car model with built-in lumbar support can offer several benefits, such as improved posture, reduced back pain, and increased comfort during long drives. When purchasing a new car, consider choosing a model that offers built-in lumbar support as a standard feature or as part of a higher trim level. This investment in your ergonomic well-being can make a significant difference in your overall driving comfort and health. By exploring these options for adding lumbar support to your car seats, you can take proactive steps toward creating a more ergonomic and comfortable driving environment for yourself and your passengers. Whether you opt for aftermarket cushions for their affordability and versatility or choose a car model with built-in support for a seamless driving experience, prioritizing lumbar support can help you enjoy your time on the road to the fullest. Techniques for adding lumbar support. In this section, we will explore 2 simple do-it-yourself techniques for adding lumbar support to your car seats. These methods are easy to implement and can make a big difference in your comfort during drives. Using towels or small pillows. One cost-effective way to enhance lumbar support in your car seat is by using towels or small pillows. Here's how you can do it in simple steps. 1. 2. Placement. Place the rolled towel horizontally behind your lower back, at the level where you need the support. 3. Adjustment. Adjust the thickness of the towel to achieve the desired support level. 4. Securing. You can secure the towel in place by tucking it at the sides or using elastic bands. This makeshift lumbar support can help maintain the natural curve of your spine and alleviate discomfort during long drives. Modifying seat foam. For a more customized approach, modifying the seat foam can provide tailored lumbar support. Follow these steps to adjust your seat foam for better support. Identifying the area. Determine the area in the seat back where you need additional support. Removing the cover. Carefully remove the seat cover to access the foam beneath. Cutting and shaping. Cut out a section of the foam or add extra foam to create a protrusion that supports your lower back. Reassembling. After modifying the foam, reassemble the seat cover securely. By modifying the seat foam, you can create a personalized lumbar support solution that suits your specific comfort needs. These DIY techniques offer practical ways to enhance the ergonomics of your car seat and promote a more comfortable driving experience. Experiment with these methods to find the best lumbar support setup for your needs. Professional installation of lumbar support systems. Seeking expert guidance from auto upholstery specialists when contemplating the installation of permanent lumbar support systems in your car seats can greatly enhance the overall comfort and ergonomic benefits for your driving experience. Consulting with auto upholstery experts. Auto upholstery professionals possess the specialized skills and knowledge required to seamlessly integrate lumbar support systems into your car seats. By consulting with these experts, you can ensure that the lumbar support is customized to fit your specific body shape and driving preferences. Their expertise in selecting the right materials and adjusting the support levels can make a significant difference in the effectiveness of the system. Cost considerations and effectiveness. While the initial cost of professional installation may seem like an investment, the long-term benefits far outweigh the expenses. Professionally installed lumbar support systems are highly durable and designed to withstand extensive use, providing ongoing relief and support for your back during long drives. Moreover, ergonomic improvements can potentially prevent discomfort and reduce the risk of developing back issues related to poor posture while driving. Partnering with auto upholstery experts for the installation of lumbar support systems ensures that the process is carried out with precision and attention to detail, guaranteeing optimal functionality and comfort for your car seats. By considering the long-term benefits and improved driving experience, the cost-effectiveness of this investment becomes apparent. In conclusion, enhancing your car seats with lumbar support can make a significant difference in your driving experience. By providing crucial lower back support, lumbar cushions can help alleviate discomfort and reduce fatigue during long journeys. Remember, prioritizing your comfort and well-being while on the road is essential for both your health and safety. So why not take the step to upgrade your car seats with lumbar support and enjoy a more comfortable and enjoyable ride every time you hit the road? Your back will thank you. Stay tuned for more DIY car care tips and modifications. Until next time, drive comfortably and take care. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.